Hey guys, welcome back to Apple Tech Review and Apple Tech Electronics. Today I'm back with the business idea section. As you know that I make videos about tech and business ideas. So today I'm back with section with business ideas. So let's go ahead and we see what I have for you today. So before that, those who haven't watched my previous videos, please, you can check on this playlist. You first check through those videos so that you can know what I'm talking about. So I've been making these videos for almost now 2 years, and I've been sharing different ideas on business, most especially electronics business and the other businesses. I've also shared another video which is about 13 business ideas that you can use. Either you have small capital or you have big capital. So please, you can first check on those videos so that you can know what I'm talking about. So today I've come with a different idea, what I want us to do, because I know you have been supporting me, you have been encouraging me also as well through the comments section. So let's go ahead today. We make sure we encourage each other, and if you have any other business idea that you would wish me to review or to talk about, you can as well share with me through the comments below. So today I've come back with a different idea that I would wish us to talk about. So what is it? It's about us sharing what we have. So you might be having a business idea that I've never tackled, so I want you to share with me that business idea in the comment section so that other friends can also see it, or I can talk about it, how we can go around it. So please, let's go ahead and we share those business ideas. I know most of you have been commenting about my videos so many times. You have been asking me about different businesses. You have been thanking me about how I make my reviews, how I encourage you guys. Please, today it's your time also. You have to make sure you comment. Don't watch this video and go without commenting. Please make sure you go down in the comment section, you put your business that you would wish to do, or any business idea that you would give to your friends, or that you would wish to share with other people that are watching these videos. I know my videos are watched worldwide, but please make sure you watch this video and you share your comment. So you share your idea. So please, thank you so much also for watching. I give thanks to those guys who watch my videos until the end, especially those guys from Asian countries and African countries. Thank you so much. You can please, and other continents and countries as well. Please, thank you so much. Thank you so much once again. So guys, let me wait for you. I'm ready to reply your comments. Thank you.